Hi there, and congratulations on your Fluss purchase. In this video, we delve deeper into the different types of access on the Fluss app, specifically the repeat access. When your Fluss app is open, you will see the Share Access icon at the bottom middle of your screen. This is where you will go to send the different invites. Select Share Access. Select the Fluss device that you would like to share access to, and then select Done. Now select Type. By selecting Type, you can choose what type of access you want to share. There are 3 different options to choose from: Always, Temporary, or Repeat access. In this video, we are exploring the Repeat access option. The repeat access invitation is ideal for a workforce, gym members, the gardener or housekeeper, or a nanny, someone who enters your property on a regular basis on the same days at the same times. When you have selected the repeat access option, you are able to select the access days as well as the access times. Select Save after you have selected the start time and end time, as well as the specific days. Select a contact or enter phone number, then select Done and Save, and now give access. It is as simple as that. Your repeat access invitation has been created. You can now share this invite via message, WhatsApp, or email. Once the invited user is within Bluetooth range on the specific days and times, he or she will be able to access your property from the Fluss app on their cell phone.